Dave, thank you. As people travel back home after the holiday, cancellations and delays persist.
Oh, yeah. Take a look at the Ford International Airport's real-time flight tracker. Most of the flights are on time now, but a few are still delayed or canceled. And airport issues are happening all across the country right now.
Yeah, it's impacting flyers and their luggage as well. 13 on your side's Trevier Gonzalez joins us live. Trevier, we've seen the delays, but travelers are experiencing other troubles too, right?
They most certainly are, Meredith. Good morning. I should point out that all those cancellations and delays are actually through Southwest Airlines. But when we want to turn to those larger issues, those are actually happening, travelers tell us, are happening at the more major airports. Now, one Fort Myers family we ended up talking with said that they were trying to visit their Michigan family for Christmas. Now, they ended up getting stuck in Atlanta because their connecting flight got canceled. They ended up renting a truck and driving 800 miles in 2 days all the way to Holland in order to make that trip happen. Now, one family trying to get back home to Atlanta tells us of just the struggles of how major airports are really just struggling to keep up with travelers.
It was horrendous. To check the luggage took way longer than they had expected. We barely made it on our flight. We were the last ones to get on, but the luggage, we were in line for probably an hour and 15 minutes to check the luggage.
Again, those issues when it comes to checking in your baggage is not so much a problem here in Grand Rapids. And while there are some cancellations here, as we've pointed out, nationwide, we really just continue to see how the effects of that winter storm continue to be an impact throughout the nation, even though it's really come and gone. Live at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport, Trevier Gonzalez, 13 on your side.
And Trevier, thanks for pointing out that those delays and cancellations are linked to Southwest Airlines. It's going to be interesting to see in the coming days what is causing that issue for that airline. Thank you so much. Well, as Trevier just mentioned, many of those cancellations coming from Southwest Airlines nationwide. There are around 3,900 flights canceled across the U.S. yesterday. 2,900 of those were from Southwest. That means around 71% of their scheduled flights were canceled, 10 times more than any other major airline. Southwest has apologized for the widespread disruption, but has already canceled 61% of its flights today and 30% of Wednesday's flights. The U.S. Department of Transportation is now getting involved, saying it's concerned by the reports of lacking customer service.